Hey everyone, welcome back to Fox Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check reposts on TikTok. This is a great way and great feature if you want to share videos with your followers but aren't sure how to track what you've reposted. I'll explain everything step by step, so let's get into it. First, let's talk a bit about TikTok's repost feature. It allows you to share other users' videos with your followers, similar to how you might repost something on Instagram or retweet on Twitter. These reposted videos will appear on your followers' For You pages, but not on your profile. To repost the video, it's quite simple. While watching a video you want to share, click the share button on the right side, which is located under the like and comments buttons. From there, select the repost option, and this will share the video with your followers. Now, if you ever change your mind and want to delete a repost, you can do that too. Go back to the original video, click the share button again, and select the option to cancel the repost. This will remove the video from being shared with your followers. Previously, finding reposted videos was a bit tricky since they didn't appear on your profile. You had to use your watch history to locate them, but now TikTok has made it much simpler to find and manage your reposted content. So here's how you do it. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the double arrow icon. It looks like a circle made from arrows. At least to me, it looks that way. So tap on this icon and you'll find a section dedicated to your reposted videos. In this section, you can view all the videos you have reposted. Not only can you see these videos, but others can see them as well since you're sharing them with your followers, of course. From here, you can also undo the repost if you change your mind about sharing any of the videos. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions, reaching out to TikTok for support is also an option, although it's not always the quickest solution. To contact TikTok, go to Settings and Privacy, tap on Need More Help, and submit a detailed message. They usually respond, but it might take some time. And that's it. You've now learned how to check reposts on TikTok. This feature makes it easier to keep track of what you've shared with your followers and manage your content more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fox Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time.